Step 4. Advanced Data Import. Data filters. Filtering imported data allows the selection of selected lines from the imported file which are to be made into markers. The filter option is available in the heading of each data column. Once the appropriate phrase has been entered into the text field and approved with the funnel icon, select the desired matching pattern of data from the column. The filter function is particularly useful if in one file there are records intended for different types of profiles, dimensions, or locations where the markers will be installed. Data filters allow for the importing of data from one file to several marker sets intended for printing on different profiles. Data sorting is very useful when organizing data and allows logical grouping of generated markers, e.g., according to the application site. Sorting can be activated by using your mouse to click on the column heading which you want to be the key for sorting the data. Building a personalized marker. Detailed marker template options are available at Step 3 of the data import. Using the data in the imported file, you can set the appearance, dimensions, and number of copies of each marker as required. There is a full list of available values for every property of the marker under the question mark icon. They can be set manually by inputting the values or by dragging and dropping the column symbol into the field. If the column that you have dragged contains unacceptable values for a given marker characteristic, the field will be highlighted in red, and the error log will list the unacceptable entries and values. Once the errors have been corrected, the markers can be built according to the set specification. Creating marker content. Using the editor in the top menu, you can create the marker content from several columns in the imported data. The expression editor is perfect when creating markers using ECAD, allowing you to drag and drop columns in the editor field to add information like the location, rack number, or terminal number to the marker description. Additional information or separators between relevant values can be added by using the text field and typing the appropriate data. The columns can be arranged as required within the editor or removed if no longer necessary. A preview of the generated phrases can be found on the right side of the editor. The last step is to give the new column a name and save it. The generated fields with data are then added as a new column in the table at the bottom. The column can be edited again or removed using the column heading icons.